Hi, that's William. They're both boys, and he's the best one. He comes to me and lets me pet him and stuff. But the other one is Lucas, and he goes and hides in his crate whenever I come around. They're very skittish. As I said, they were in a vet hospital for a long time, and the woman that left them here because she can't keep them anymore said they just don't bond after their experience, I guess, being in the vet hospital. Hi, Lucas. You scared of me, sweetheart? He's cute, though, isn't he? Cute boy. But you know what? These guys shed like son of a gun. Look at, there's just hair all over the floor already. And so I'm really glad I don't have long-haired dogs. That's all I gotta say. 2 Afghans were enough. But anyway, they're going to a rescuer in Pennsylvania, I hope by the end of the week. They're cute, but they're very skittish and untrusting.